final part on this 1958 EverReady SkyLeader. In the very last video, which I said was the last one, I'd put it back in the case, but Longwave had stopped working. So I just went through and sorted out what had gone wrong with that. If I zoom in, it was this wire had broken again that I'm pointing to. So I've just secured it with a blob of candle wax and resoldered it. So Longwave works again. What else did I do? Oh, I just added just push fit a BNC connector into the external antenna socket to get a bit more signal in there. It comes out easy enough, and there's just a wire tacked on inside. I didn't have the right plug to fit that socket, and the BNC fits the end of the cable that I normally would have plugged into it. So apart from that, it's all working. The case still needs a bit of work, but like I say, this may go on to somebody else that wants a project. Definitely done for now. On to something new. Cheers.